Amazon favorites, iPhone case. Since I've gotten this question asked so many times, I figured it was time to share where my iPhone case was from, and surprise, surprise, it's Amazon. The quality is a 10 out of 10. I can't even tell you how many times I've dropped my phone with 2 babies at home and not even a scratch. Link in bio under Shop TikTok.
Products you need from Amazon. This is a portable phone sanitizer that uses UV light to kill essentially all bacteria that your phone accumulates when your hands are dirty. You can use it on basically anything that'll fit, like credit cards, sunglasses, house keys. It's the best solution I've found to keeping your stuff free of just gross bacteria and germs, especially when you have to go out a lot, and it also has an aromatherapy function to make all your stuff smell good.
Cool gadgets from Amazon you need. This wireless charging pad for your phone. Place your phone on top, even with a case, and it will start charging instantly. Next up is this pink wireless keyboard with a built-in stand. You can sync it to any of your devices so you can type right onto them. And that even includes your phone. And last up is this USB drive you can plug directly into your iPhone. Use it to back up your photos and videos and save storage space. Amazon home gadgets you need. First up is this box that not only organizes your batteries but has a tester so you can see if they're still good. Place a battery in the tester, slide the red lever, and then it will tell you if it needs to be replaced. Next up are these compact indoor cameras. They're really small so they won't be an eyesore in your house, and they're way more affordable than other options. It syncs up to the Wi-Fi in your home, and then you can access everything on your phone. From the app, you can record, take a photo, and you could even speak into it in case you want to talk to your dog or, worst case scenario, an intruder.
Things you didn't know you needed off Amazon, part 37. All right, this is our Mango Mini Travel Router. We love this. We use this whenever we leave the house and we need a secure and private Wi-Fi and internet network. All right, so it comes with all the cables you need, so you don't have to worry about that. But basically, if you're at an airport or a hotel, you can connect to their Ethernet, and this will give you a private network based off of their Wi-Fi that's already existing. You can plug it into your laptop or iPhone, or you can plug it directly into a router at a friend's house. Things you didn't know you needed off Amazon, part 28. All right, so this is our wallet power bank. It's a 2500 megahertz battery, the size of a credit card. I have small hands, but it's the size of a credit card, super thin. You can fit it inside your wallet, so handy because it's so easy to move around. You recharge the device using a micro USB cord that it comes with, and then you pop up this little purple cord right here. You have a lightning port micro USB right there. Pop it into the adapter right next to it, and you can charge your iPhone. Things you didn't know you needed off Amazon, part 17. If you have ever wanted to get into photography and you don't have the budget for a camera, this is going to change everything. These 3 lenses come in a bundle for $20 on Amazon, and they clip onto your phone. First, we're going to put the fisheye lens on. You literally just screw it into that hole, easy as that, and clip it onto your phone. All right, so we're going to clip it on there, and you can see it has a cool fisheye effect. All right, the next one's a macro lens. Notice how blurry the moss in this moss bowl is before, and then when you put on the lens, look how detailed. And the last one is a super wide lens. Notice you can't see the edges of the moss bowl, and then he'll stick it on, and you can see the whole moss bowl and my living room. Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. All right, so this is our portable solar power bank. It's waterproof and sandproof, and it can charge all your devices just by being out in the sun. Okay, not only does this charge your devices by the sunlight, it also comes with a micro USB cord that plugs into the top left side of the device that can plug into the wall and hold battery in case of an emergency when you're not in the sunlight and your devices need to be charged. It has a USB port on either side so you can charge multiple devices at once. It comes with a portable LED flashlight that's flexible in case you need light for reading, and it has a built-in flashlight for emergencies up here on the top right corner. Things you didn't know you needed off Amazon, part 39. All right, a follower showed us this, and it's by far my favorite product we've ever posted about. So this is a universal flash drive. This end up here fits all iOS devices. You can flip it around and you'll find a USB port for your computer. You can open that up and you'll find a micro USB port for Android devices. And it also comes with a Type-C adapter for newer Android devices as well as newer MacBook computers. All right, so it can hold up to 128 gigabytes. You just download the app and you can share or transfer videos, photos, music, files, contacts, whatever you want. It's pretty cool. Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. Wow, okay, this is our Myra screen, and we plug this into the back of our TV so that we can live stream any videos or shows from our phone or other devices onto our big TV. Anything from iOS devices, Androids, tablets, Windows computers, MacBooks, you name it, will connect to the TV. And just when you think it can't get any better, you can actually click off on your phone and start using other apps without it disrupting the video that's playing on the big screen. If you're on a budget and you don't have a smart TV, this is your best option. Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. This is a rechargeable electric hand warmer that doubles as a power bank to charge your devices. It comes with 3 temperature levels for you to choose from, and I'm not kidding, it heats up within just a few seconds. And on the very top, you'll find a USB port where you can plug your charging cable into to charge your devices if it's an emergency and you need a charge on the go.
This is an extremely useful Amazon find. These are rechargeable packs of batteries. Stop buying replacement batteries when all you need is this one-time purchase. These ones are AA batteries that can be recharged with this USB port when they run out. All you do is pull off the cap and plug it in. Once they're fully charged, you can use them again up to 500 times.
So fetch.
Our favorite Amazon finds, part 76. Have you ever shared headphones before to watch a video or a movie, only to get frustrated when the other person accidentally yanks them out of your ear? Or maybe you're on a flight and can't connect your Bluetooth headphones to the TV. We have the perfect solution for you. This is the AirFly Duo, a tiny device that plugs into your headphone jack and allows you to connect up to 2 different Bluetooth headphones. It's super easy to pair both headphones to, and now you can watch together with no wires and no problems.
Here are 4 of my favorite home tech products from Wise. They're all super affordable and under $40. First is this indoor camera that's only $26, which is amazing. You can rotate the base of it and adjust the camera to where you need it to be. There's no hardware required for the install. It's super easy and simple. The picture on it is really clear. You can record and you can even take a photo and speak through the camera. Next is this other indoor camera that's only $37, and what's cool about this one is you can rotate and tilt it so you can get a 360 view of the room, which comes in handy for larger rooms or areas that you need to see the entire space. They also have other things like this activity band that keeps track of your workouts, your steps, and your heart rate, so it's great for working out, keeping track of your activity, and it's only around $30. And last but not least is their Smart Scale, which is seriously awesome. It syncs up with their app that you can track everything through. Not only does it measure your weight, but also your body fat and muscle mass, and it can also do your heart rate. I love that these are all really high quality while